So in our last video, we investigated to discover the general forms for vertical and horizontal lines. Vertical lines are in the form x equals a, where a is some constant, and y equals b is a horizontal line. If you remember this relationship, it makes graphing them go very, very fast. So let's see the example below. Here we want to graph the lines y equals 4 and y equals 0. Well, these are both horizontal lines because they're y equal to some constant. On the first one, y is always going to equal 4. So it doesn't matter what your x value is, y is 4. And I can connect that with the line. Last but not least, y equals 0. Well, where does y equal 0? Y equals 0 here on the x-axis. So y equals 0, no matter where you are on this axis, y equals 0. So y equals 0 is the same as the x-axis. So horizontal lines are quick to graph. Let's go on to number 9 together in this video on the next page. So we have now x is equal to -5. What do we know about that line? It is vertical. And no matter where you are on that line, x equals -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's one point where x is -5. Here's another and another and another. All right? And you don't even have to plot all of these points. I'm just showing you the infinite amount of points where x is equal to -5. And then we connect that line or those points with a vertical line. Now y equals x. Let's do a quick review. That's the same as y equals 1x plus 0. Here is my slope. Here is my y-intercept. So don't forget the other shortcuts of lines or shortcut methods of graphing lines that we have practiced. So I'll start at my y-intercept 0, 0, and I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and back and back and back. So here is the line y equals x. And notice the more points that you put, the easier it is to connect those points with the straight line, even though I messed up there. So we have now practiced all of the methods of graphing lines. In 5-6, we will investigate parallel and perpendicular lines.